Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to an extraordinary journey through one of the world's most fascinating cities. Are you ready for an adventure? Today, we will uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Moscow a city like no other. Let's embark on a virtual walking tour of Moscow, a city steeped in history, culture, and grandeur. From its majestic skyline to its intricate streets, every corner tells a story. Get ready to be captivated by its onion domes, sprawling squares, and vibrant atmosphere. The iconic St. Basil's Cathedral, with its colourful domes, is just the beginning of our exploration. Our journey will take us through the heart of the city, where ancient wonders stand tall alongside modern marvels. We'll see how Moscow seamlessly blends its rich past with its dynamic present. We will wander through time, witnessing the echoes of Tsars and the spirit of revolution. The Kremlin, with its formidable walls and towers, stands as a testament to Moscow's enduring legacy. Get ready to be amazed by the architectural marvels, immerse yourselves in the city's rich history, and soak up the vibrant energy of this unforgettable metropolis. From the grandeur of its palaces to the charm of its streets, Moscow has something for everyone. This is Moscow, a city that will stay with you long after you've said do svidaniya. Let's begin our exploration and create memories that will last a lifetime. Join us as we uncover the magic and mystery of Moscow, one step at a time. Our first stop is Red Square, the symbolic center of Moscow, a place where the past and present converge in a breathtaking display of architecture and history, and arguably all of Russia. This iconic square has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, revolutions, and celebrations. Imagine a vast cobblestone expanse, a stage for historical events, both triumphant and tragic. From grand parades to solemn ceremonies, Red Square has seen it all. Feel the energy of the crowds that have gathered here for centuries. The square is alive with the footsteps of millions who have come to witness its grandeur. Here you'll find Lenin's mausoleum, a solemn reminder of Russia's communist past. This granite and marble structure holds the embalmed body of Vladimir Lenin, the leader of the Bolshevik Revolution. You can pay your respects to the embalmed leader. The mausoleum is a place of reflection and reverence, drawing visitors from around the world. However, photography is strictly prohibited. This rule ensures the sanctity and solemnity of the site is maintained. Across the square, the State Historical Museum beckons with its red brick facade and towering spires. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to Russia's rich cultural heritage. It houses a vast collection of artifacts. Each exhibit tells a story, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who shaped the nation. These artifacts trace Russia's fascinating history from its earliest days. From ancient relics to modern exhibits, the museum provides a comprehensive overview of the country's evolution. As night falls, Red Square transforms into a magical landscape, with its buildings illuminated, casting a golden glow that highlights their architectural beauty. This is truly the heart of Russia, where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. Next, we enter the Kremlin, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This fortified complex, once home to Tsars and emperors, now houses the Russian government. It is a symbol of power and resilience. Behind its imposing red brick walls and towers lie magnificent cathedrals, palaces, and government buildings. You'll be awestruck by the sheer grandeur of the architecture. Visit the Armory Chamber, a treasure trove of royal carriages, jeweled Fabergé eggs, and ornate weaponry. The Diamond Fund exhibition showcases dazzling displays of crown jewels and precious stones. No trip to Moscow is complete without marveling at St. Basil's Cathedral. This iconic landmark, with its whimsical onion domes and vibrant colours, is like something out of a fairy tale. Legend has it that Ivan the Terrible blinded the architects after its completion. He wanted to ensure nothing could ever surpass its beauty. Step inside to discover a labyrinth of chapels, each adorned with intricate frescoes and gilded iconostasis. The cathedral is a testament to Russia's rich artistic heritage. Section 5. Gum, a shopper's paradise. Just across Red Square from St. Basil's Cathedral stands Gum, Moscow's largest department store. This architectural gem, housed in a stunning 19th century building, is a shopper's paradise. Even if you're not in the mood for shopping, Gum is worth a visit for its elegant glass-roofed arcades, fountains, and boutiques, showcasing Russian and international brands. Treat yourself to a scoop of ice cream from a traditional Russian vendor. You can people watch from the third-floor balcony while enjoying views of Red Square. Section 6. The Bolshoi Theatre, a cultural icon. For a taste of Russia's performing arts scene, a visit to the Bolshoi Theatre is a must. This historic venue has been a cornerstone of Russian culture since its opening in 1825. It has survived wars, revolutions, and renovations, standing as a testament to the enduring spirit of the arts in Russia. This renowned theatre, known for its world-class ballet and opera performances, is a cultural icon. The Bolshoi Ballet and Opera Companies are among the oldest and most prestigious in the world, attracting top talent and audiences from around the globe. Each performance is a blend of tradition and innovation, showcasing the best of classical and contemporary works. Even if you don't have time to attend a show, admire the theatre's grand neoclassical facade, adorned with 8 massive columns and a statue of Apollo atop a chariot. This architectural masterpiece is a symbol of Moscow's rich cultural heritage. The intricate details and majestic design make it a must-see landmark. If you're lucky enough to be in town during a performance, book your tickets well in advance. The Bolshoi's shows are highly sought after, often selling out months ahead. Attending a performance here is not just about the show, it's about being part of a historic tradition that has captivated audiences for nearly 2 centuries. Prepare to be dazzled by the artistry and talent on display. The performers at the Bolshoi Theatre are among the best in the world, delivering breathtaking performances that leave audiences spellbound. Whether it's a ballet or an opera, the experience is sure to be unforgettable, a highlight of any visit to Moscow. Section 7. The Moscow Metro, a subterranean palace. Next, we descend into the Moscow Metro, much more than just a mode of transport. It's a subterranean art gallery, a testament to the city's architectural prowess. Each station is uniquely designed, featuring intricate mosaics, chandeliers, marble columns, and bronze sculptures. They reflect the grandeur of the Soviet era. Some of the most beautiful stations include Komsomolskaya, Mayakovskaya, and Kievskaya. Be sure to take your time to appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship on display. Section 8. Arbat Street, Bohemian Rhapsody. Our final stop takes us to Arbat Street, a pedestrianised street in the heart of Moscow. It's a vibrant mix of history, art, and entertainment. Stroll along the cobblestone street, lined with colourful buildings, shops selling souvenirs and Russian crafts, street performers, and artists selling their work. Stop at one of the many cafes or restaurants for a taste of Russian cuisine. Soak up the lively atmosphere of this popular gathering spot. Section 9. Conclusion. Moscow beckons. Our virtual walking tour of Moscow comes to an end. We've only scratched the surface of what this incredible city has to offer. From its historical grandeur to its modern vibrancy, Moscow is a city that will stay with you long after you've said, "Do svidaniya." So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your real-life adventure to Moscow today. Discover the magic and allure of this captivating capital city for yourself.